Reveal your inner glow with DIY face masks. Reveal your inner glow with DIY face masks. There's something incredibly satisfying about pampering yourself at home with a DIY face mask. Not only do these masks offer a myriad of skin benefits, but they can also provide a much-needed dose of self-care and relaxation. In today's fast-paced world, finding time to unwind and take care of ourselves is becoming increasingly essential. So, why not treat yourself to some natural and nourishing DIY face masks that will reveal your inner glow? One of the reasons DIY face masks have gained popularity is their accessibility. Most of the ingredients required for these masks are readily available in your kitchen pantry or local grocery store. By utilizing natural ingredients, you can ensure that you're using products that are free from harmful chemicals and additives. Plus, creating your own face masks allows you to customize them according to your skin type and concerns, giving you the confidence that you're addressing your specific needs. Let's dive into some of the top DIY face masks that you can easily whip up in the comfort of your own home. 1. Honey and Yogurt Mask. This mask is perfect for hydrating dry skin and providing a boost of radiance. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, and apply it to your face. Leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing off. Honey acts as a humectant, attracting and retaining moisture in your skin, while yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and brightens your complexion. 2. Banana and Avocado Mask. Bananas are not just a delicious fruit, they are also full of vitamins and minerals that can nourish your skin. Mash half a ripe banana and half a ripe avocado together till you have a smooth paste. Apply it to your face and let it sit for 20 minutes before rinsing off. This mask will leave your skin feeling soft, supple, and revitalized. 3. Turmeric and Lemon Mask. Turmeric has long been used in Ayurvedic medicine for its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Apply the mixture to your face, but be cautious as turmeric can stain. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse off. This mask will help brighten your complexion, reduce acne, and even out skin tone. 4. Oatmeal and Honey Mask. This mask is perfect for soothing sensitive or irritated skin. Blend half a cup of oatmeal in a food processor until it turns into a fine powder. Mix it with 2 tablespoons of honey, and add a few drops of water to create a paste. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. Oatmeal acts as a gentle exfoliator, while honey provides hydration and helps calm any redness or inflammation. 5. Aloe Vera and Cucumber Mask. Aloe vera is renowned for its soothing and healing properties, while cucumber is known for its cooling and refreshing effects. Blend 1/4 of a cucumber with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel until smooth. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing off. This mask will leave your skin feeling hydrated, rejuvenated, and radiant. Remember, before trying any new face mask, it's important to do a patch test on a small area of your skin to ensure you're not allergic to any of the ingredients. Additionally, if you have any specific skin concerns or conditions, it's advisable to consult with a dermatologist before incorporating DIY face masks into your skincare routine. 6. Green Tea and Honey Mask. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool down. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 2 tablespoons of cooled green tea. Apply the mixture to your face and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. This mask will help soothe your skin, reduce inflammation, and have it looking refreshed and rejuvenated. 7. Papaya and pineapple mask. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which helps exfoliate and brighten the skin. Pineapple is rich in bromelain, another enzyme that helps reduce inflammation and pee. Promote smoother skin. Mash half a ripe papaya and half a cup of fresh pineapple together until well combined. Apply the mixture to your face and let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing off. This mask will leave your skin feeling soft, radiant, and glowing. 8. Coconut milk and turmeric mask. Coconut milk is deeply hydrating and nourishing for the skin, while turmeric helps improve complexion and reduce acne. Mix 2 tablespoons of coconut milk with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing off. This mask will leave your skin feeling moisturized, balanced, and more even-toned. 9. Yogurt and cucumber mask. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which helps gently exfoliate the skin and promote a youthful glow. Cucumber is known for its soothing and hydrating properties. Blend a quart of a cucumber with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt until smooth. Apply the mixture to your face and let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing off. This mask will leave your skin feeling refreshed, nourished, and revitalized. 10. Matcha and clay mask. Matcha is a powdered form of green tea that is rich in antioxidants and has detoxifying properties. Clay helps draw out impurities and unclog pores. Mix 1 teaspoon of MAC hot powder with 2 teaspoons of clay, such as bentonite or kaolin clay, and enough water to form a paste. Apply the mixture to your face and let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. This mask will leave your skin feeling clean, detoxified, and rejuvenated. By incorporating these DIY face masks into your skincare routine, you can experience the benefits of natural ingredients while indulging in a pampering self-care session. Remember to always follow THE instructions and take precautions if you have any allergies or skin conditions. Embrace the power of DIY face masks and let your inner glow shine through. 11. Coffee grounds and coconut oil mask. Coffee grounds are not only great for waking you up in the morning, but they can also exfoliate and brighten your skin. Mix 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil until well combined. Apply the mixture to your face using gentle circular motions, focusing on areas with dullness or rough texture. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes.